In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos and create one easy and free. The example I'm going to use is on my Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean. I will add an end screen here. I'm also going to show you something at the end of the video that will also be helpful to you as well. Here's the current end screen that I use on my Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean. It's animated, which is really cool. This is in Canva, which is free. If I go ahead and hit this play button, you will see that it is animated with the pop-ups right there, which is really cool. So how do you make this? All you need to do is go to canva.com. I do have the pro version, which I recommend, which is linked in my description box below. But what you want to do is go ahead and click this video option right here, and then scroll down to it says YouTube video. And they have a ton of templates to choose from. You can see over here, it says YouTube video intro, YouTube channel logo, new video. Scrolling over here, YouTube subscribe. So I would go ahead and click YouTube subscribe if you want to make an end card. And here are all the options. Let's just click this one right here. This one is also animated. You can see if we hit that play button. And then you can just drag and drop and change out these things and change the text and do all of that. If you want a more detailed video on that, let me know in the comments box below and I can show you that. But let's talk about how to add them to your specific YouTube videos. You can add the end screen when you are uploading a YouTube video, or you can do it after the fact. I like to do it after the fact. So let me show you that way. We're going to go here to the left-hand side under content. I'm just going to go ahead and choose any of these videos right here. Let's choose this one. This one is not live yet. I'm going to hit the details tab, and then super quick, super easy. You can see here on the right-hand side are lots of details that's scheduled. You can do your end screen right here. Go ahead and click this pencil icon. And here's where the magic happens. Now you have lots of options here. You can see that I have a video most recent. This is my subscribe button. So if anyone clicks on this, it will take them to that subscribe option and best for viewer. Let's just go ahead and play this really quickly. And you have up to 20 seconds to put that end screen card in. Your calm and peaceful headspace. There we go. So I added this specific end screen in my editing software, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. If I wanted to change any of these out, I would just click on it. And you can see here, it says most recent upload. I could go ahead and hit this trash can right here. I could take that one out. So now I only have two. If I want to add an element, let's say I wanted to add that back in. And I wanted to, there we go, most recent upload. You can lengthen the size of this. So let's just go ahead and play this. One pops up. And then the rest of them, I like to have them pop up at the same time. The possibilities are endless. If you want to change what this is, you click plus sign next to the element and you can add a video, you can add a playlist, you can add a specific channel. And here are all the playlists on my Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean channel. You can go ahead and move these around like you see here. If they are too close, YouTube will give you an error message. It says end screen elements cannot overlap or be too close together on this video. Please adjust the element spacing, which is super nice. So let me just go ahead and put these back into their proper position right here. And you can see I can line them up with the end screen that I created that I showed you in Canva. Go ahead and click save. If you were going to add this end screen when you were first uploading the video, what you would do is go to this create button here, and then you would choose upload videos. And then you would drop your file in here, and then YouTube would prompt you through adding your end screen. I like to do it at the end just because I think there's less room for error. Let's say you're wanting to learn how to add tags to your YouTube videos. By the way, I do recommend watching this video right here. Let's just watch this part super quick. Here's another option for you when it comes to adding end screens. It can be super simple. Thumbs up, click the video on screen now to see some additional YouTube. You see these have popped up? Subscribe and I'll see you, my friend. So I have no end screens on this particular YouTube channel. So there is no one right way to do this. The possibilities are endless. But if you're interested in how to add tags to your YouTube videos, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.